Victoria Lee here, and today we are back with another exciting video. 2 videos in like 2 weeks? What's going on? Let's get right into it so I can tell you what this video is for today. For today, I'm going to be trying out, if I pronounce this wrong, please excuse me, the JINRI Paris Professional Style to Go Hot Hair Styling Brush. It is 1,000 watts of drying power. This company actually sent this to me to have me try it out and make a video, so I'm going to do just that. So I'm just opening it up, and I assume it's going to be like a Revlon brush situation, which if you have seen some videos on my channel, you know I'm very familiar with. So just right off the bat, it's super light, like less than a pound, like literally so light that I'm like, is this real? Like, is this gonna actually, it's not plugged in, but is it gonna work? Because it's so light. The brush is super thin. To show you a comparison between this and my Revlon, give me 1 second. This is my Revlon, and this is the thinner one, by the way, the new version, and then this is this. This is more of like a curling wand. My prediction for this is that it's going to give a nice round kind of curl when you blow out the hair. Let's see if there's any instructions that I should know before using this. This is the company name, by the way. JINRI? I'm not sure, I'm sorry. JINRI, Paris Professional. Smooth, straight shine. Place the hot styling brush underneath the section of hair at the root and slowly begin moving straight down the section of hair towards the end, maintaining slight tension and guiding the section of hair around the bristles as you move through the section. Repeat with each section of hair until you have completed the entire head of hair. This brush features the iconic function releasing negative ions to protect hair from damage and split ends, reducing frizz for an extra shiny finish. For best hold, complete your style by misting with hairspray. Oh, afterwards. Okay, got it. I think this is pretty self-explanatory, so we can get really right into trying it. My hair is just the tiniest bit damp, and for me, that's pretty usual. It's honestly a mess. It is a mess right now. It's not looking its best, so let's see if this could kind of fix it up. Go ahead and I'm gonna plug it in. I'm also just gonna go in and use the Olaplex Bond Smoother as well as the Olaplex number 7 Bond Oil, just to kind of, this gives the heat protection and this just kind of makes my hair more smooth, and right now it's feeling just not that. Also, it's gonna add a little bit more moisture to the hair, like 4 pumps of that, especially for the ends because we're really working on growing out our hair here. Like I said, my hair is like very slightly damp, all plugged in, and when you turn it on, there is a high, low, and off. So this is low, and then this is high. And right off the bat, I turned it on and there's like a burning smell, which is never comforting, but maybe that's just like how it is because there's no hair in the brush. I've never used this, so there's not really a reason for it to be smelling. So let's do a few pieces. Okay, so here's the first piece, which I feel like did a nice little like volume. It's cute. It's pretty like straight, but my hair right now is pretty much like consistent with that. It's pretty flat anyway. So, it looks pretty good. I will say, just like first impression, it's a little thinner than I'm used to, so you can't grab as much hair, but that could be positive and that could be negative. I feel like I'm going to try to twist it just like I would to kind of form a curl how I do with the Revlon. So let me try that. That's cute. It's definitely like a nice sleek, like it's making my hair like very frizz free, and that was one of its claims, so I really like that. Let me do a few more pieces. I had to stop. So I do like the way my hair is coming out. But as I was using it, I noticed that there's like this opening right here, which is like where the air, I guess, like sucks in. And my hair is getting stuck at the end here. Like it's getting stuck in here and it's pulling some of my hair out. So I'm not loving that. Let me do this whole side and then I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. I did one half of the hair and I want to kind of show you the difference. So this is the side of the hair that I did, and then this is the side of the hair which I did not, which is still a little damp, but as you can see, it looks like very dry, a little puffy, and this side looks super smooth and super nice. So I'm only gonna do this side of the hair for today's video because I want to show you the comparison. And yeah, so I know this is probably like a really quick video, but I did just want to give you guys my thoughts, and thank you to this company for sending this to me. This definitely has pros and also cons. So the pros are that it's really thin and I'm able to like really get at my root, which I love. Like sometimes with my Revlon brush, I'm not able to get into that root and it's really tough for me to like get it really smooth, where right, like today, I feel like I was really able to get it nice and smooth. It also forms a nice little like tighter wave-ish curl, if you will. So I really like that. I also really like that it's super light. Like I literally like, feels like I'm holding nothing. It's actually insane. Those are all my positives. The whole like look of it is like sleek and nice. My negatives are that although it's a positive that it's thin, it also can act as a negative because I can't put as much hair through, so it takes me a little bit longer. And then the other negative for me would be that my hair was getting stuck in this little like suction part here. So going forward, I just made sure that it was like really far apart so that it wouldn't happen again because I don't want any hair falling out here. But either way, I definitely think that it's a really cute device. The price was really good. I will put it in the description below if you want to buy it. Go for it. Maybe you have thinner hair. I have pretty thick hair, but maybe you want those like tighter curls when you're blow drying. I would say get it. I don't think there's anything wrong with it. I think it's cute. I think it's definitely functional. It's probably really easy to travel with. So do it. I'm happy I got to try it, and thank you so much to the company JINRI Paris Professional for sending it to me. It was super fun to get to try it, and I definitely will use this in the future, especially to make my hair super smooth and frizz-free, which it definitely did. And it's like I'm running my fingers through my hair smooth right now. So thank you so much, and thank you to everybody who was watching. I know this was a quick video, but I hope you enjoyed it. I'm trying to get like really quick and to the point these days. So thank you so much, everybody. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.